What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about the importance of dashcam and how it saves you in terms of any issues or any accident which happen which is unforeseen, and how these footages help in either educating people as well as helping you for insurance. Imagine you are driving along and minding your own business when you suddenly see that there are couple of people who lack basic common sense. And in this video I've seen that while we were driving, there was three individuals driving triples and who suddenly swerved in from the right side, hitting the driver who was going in the right lane. And instead of apologizing, they started to hit this person. They pushed the bike and also made some kind of a scene. It also looks to be that all the three were intoxicated and not having either the helmets or neither having any remorse as to what they have done. So it's important that you have dash cams. It also helps for any insurance claims, and also to educate people on such instances where you get to see that though you are minding your own business and going in your respective lane, but it's always the fault from the other side. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.